Hi Gary, here we see your clocks. I'll just give them a quick test. They're completed. Power them on, and if the side stand was down, then you would get a warning telling you to put it up. You can select different patterns. 1, 2, you can turn it off altogether. I'll leave it on that one, and then when your side stand is put up, that goes out. And then looking at that, that's the actual modified gear position sensor. It's normally a neutral switch with just one contact. Now it actually gives you contacts for the gears. So if I just demonstrate by earthing these contacts, what you'll find is first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and you can also dim those. So if I put it on, say, the third one, you can select dim it down at night if it's a bit too bright, but it remembers whatever setting you leave it on, so when you turn your bike off and back on, it just goes back to where you were. And that's it. Hope you like them.